Hi, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. And people often ask, or I see posts about cooking and they don't know what to cook that night. Like maybe they're just not inspired by a dish. And let me tell you the cheat way that I always get inspired by what to cook for the night. And I will think about what's in my refrigerator already, and I will pick that one ingredient, and then I kind of go down the rabbit hole from there. So today, my one ingredient is cabbage. I had a big head of cabbage from a farm box that I ordered. I didn't go out and buy cabbage, but it's something that I had in my refrigerator, and I'm like, what can I do with it? So I decided to make coleslaw. Like, it's something super easy to do. It's hot summer month, nice side dish. You can make it into a salad and make it like a main dish. And I like to look at different recipes and make my own creation out of it. So I have red cabbage, red onion, carrots, which I already had these ingredients. You know, I didn't have to go shopping for them. And a good base of coleslaw would probably be a Dijon mustard and some mayonnaise and sometimes vinegar. I know vinegar pops up on some of the recipes. You can go for that German style coleslaw if you like. I like to have my style just more like traditional, regular coleslaw. And little fun side fact is that whenever I'm inspired to cook, like, I just come as I am. Like, I am not putting on the makeup. I'm pulling my hair back. I'm in the kitchen. I'm getting my hands dirty. I just finished potting some house plants, some succulents. And so I decided to wash my hands of the soil and then just start cooking. And I always like to prepare in advance. That is another thing, because when you're hungry, that's when you make the worst decisions. So instead of waiting until you're starving and then, oh my gosh, I don't know what to cook, and then, oh, I have to spend, hours cooking it when I'm just starving, then you pull out all the pantry snacks, which are usually not the ones that are good for you. So having a good side dish or even a main dish always in the refrigerator that was homemade is probably the best solution for that. And another fun thing that I did last night was I had some lentil beans, and they were the Indian style lentil beans called mung dal. And so I had never really even played with that. I've had like the Trader Joe's version of it, but I had it in my pantry because I knew that one day I'd be inspired by it. And yesterday I had some bone broth in the freezer. So why not defrost that and make a mung dal soup? And I put it all in the crock pot with like some onions, celery, and carrots, the bone broth and the lentils. I let it simmer all day. And then bam, at dinner time, I had a soup ready to eat. So it doesn't have to be hard. It just has to be a little bit of pre-planning. And I'm telling you, like 1 hour of work creates a whole week of freedom. Like, you just have to put in a little work. And a lot of people like to food prep maybe on Sundays. I say whatever day works convenient for you. Work around whatever schedule that you have. Don't let the food own you. Okay, you have control of the food, the schedule, the preparation, the ingredients. So don't let it own you, because I know that we can get overwhelmed just like baking bread. It's like, oh, I have to wake up in the middle of the night and do my stretch and fold and start thinking about all the things that you have to do. Don't let it own you like that. That is not the way I operate in the kitchen. I'm gonna work around what schedule works best for me. I have a younger son who has, a school schedule and different things that I'm doing, and I'm not gonna let the kitchen run my life. I'm gonna run my own kitchen. So there's a big difference there. And I'm telling you, if you have a single ingredient in your house and you don't know what to do with it, like the easiest thing is to ask ChatGPT or Google that one ingredient, what are some fun recipes, and go off of that. Like, I will still look up recipes. Not everything I create is my own original recipe, but I always throw a spin on it. So I'm always making it with a flair of my own recipe. So today is coleslaw, 20 minutes prep. That is it. And I will have coleslaw ready for the next 3 to 5 days. Like, tonight, I will do it as a side dish. Tomorrow, I might have it for lunch as a main dish. Throw some microgreens on it, add some nutrients. Like super simple. You can add protein to it. What about like grilled sliced chicken? Then you have, voila, a salad. So yes, finding that one ingredient that you already have, instead of buying the whole kitchen, instead of buying the whole store, going to work around that one ingredient that you already have. And maybe you have some of the other ones. Like staples that I already have are mustard, mayo, lemon, and some seasoning for the coleslaw. So I really didn't have to go shopping for any special ingredients. So yes, happy cooking. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and going through all these steps of me just kind of playing with the camera. I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to editing and software programs and all of the tech stuff. That is not my forte, but my forte is definitely in the kitchen. So that's why I invited you guys in, and I hope that you like and subscribe and follow me and share with your friends. If you want to join my community, I'm often sending a weekly newsletter with recipes and little hidden tips and tricks, kitchen remedies and whatnot. So please click on the link below and follow me. I appreciate you so much. All right, bye.